y'all, welcome to the Crafty Diamond. I am Debbie. Today I have my Fun Friday video, and that's where I primarily have discount companies that have sent me PRs in order for me to show them on my channel. And so today I want to thank Paintsomeway for sending these two items to me. And one is a canvas and the other one is something else that's going to be a lot of fun. So let's start on that other one first. This one is actually keychains, and I'm going to be doing these for one of my Smashing the Specials event that I am participating in. I'm going to be adding this to my little box that I plan on working on in August. But we do have your typical toolkit, which is a boat, a small plate of wax, and then you have your diamond painting pen. And we have these cute little keychains. And I went ahead and put the keychain part here, and they have this in another bag. So they have all of the actual parts that you need here. You just place them once you're done. But that's what it's going to look like. I need to close that one a little better. I wanted to just show you that's what that looks like. I'm going to go ahead and take that off so I don't lose it. With these keychains, on this one I have a couple of, there are some sewing machines here. I thought that was really cute. It's very floral on all of these. And then there is another one there. And you also, on these, you're going to diamond paint the front and the back. And right now there's just some plastic that's on here. So you'd want to take the plastic off. You do it on both sides. So it's going to take a little while to do because you have both sides to do. And then we also have bird baths here, which I thought was really pretty. I did it mainly for the flowers. And we have, let's see, 2, 4, 6. So we're going to have 6 keychains, which I thought were really pretty. And they all use the rhinestones on the drills. So that's going to be our colors. We have some really pretty blue here. And then we're going to have some pink there and then some red. It also has on the bag, it's going to tell us, which is going to be hard, doesn't want to focus on the number because it is so light, but this says GJ109 on here. Now, of course, it's not going to have this on the individual keychains, but the bag that it came in, it does have that on there. And so if I want to just keep those in the bag away from the drills, then I could. But when I'm done with this, with the filming, I'm just going to put it back in this plastic bag, put the drills with it along with this little bag, and then I will be able to diamond paint. So that would be a lot of fun. It's also going to help me with Smashing the Specials to get something completed. And then I have this cute canvas here. I've already taken out of the plastic just to make it a little bit easier. Let me roll this up. This one is really wrinkly. This one's one that's going to have to go with books on top for a little while because it's a little bit wrinkly. It's not bad if you can see on the canvas once I raise the plastic up, but I don't like mine this wrinkly. And even trying to straighten this out, it's easy to roll because it is really thin. Let me try it the other way too. It's super thin, so it's easy to roll, but it's not going to straighten out very well. So I will just need to put some books on top of it, which is fine. But this is a cute little dragling, and I thought he or she was just really cute. It is a lot of blue. There are 24 colors, and that's about right, I guess, for a 30 by 30. It does have the number up here that's going to correspond with the diamonds. This is a round diamond painting, It does have the table on the left side as well as on the right side, and it is a lot of color blocking. And I am going to be doing these in between some larger projects. That's a lot of confetti. I think that usually, helps me a lot just to get my mind off the confetti and to just be able to get something done. But let's look at the colors on these. And I am sorry for the glare today. It is a very nasty day out, so I'm having to use more overhead lights, and it's causing a little bit of a glare. These are mostly, and it's really strange, this is some blue here, but there is a lot of greens in here and grays. Now the green's going to be down here, but there's got to be more blues on the other side. Here's quite a bit of blues here. That's going to be all up in here, in the background here. And then we do have this, see, number 5. I'm trying to see what color this one is. This is a 3886. That must be, that's white on the inside. But there's our colors. So I thought that he or she was really cute. And what I do with some or a lot of my discount companies is that I keep around 4 to 5 that I want to work on, just some small ones that I want to do in between some larger projects. And then I give the rest away. And my church helps out with a children's home. It's a local children's home in Georgia. And they always give a birthday present to every child on their birthday. And they have the balloons, they bring in so cakes for all the kids. And so they make it into a really big party. They get a large bag of gifts. And so what I have done is that I have gathered all of the discount companies, ones that I think, are kid appropriate or teenage appropriate. And that's all the ones I ever get anyway, which is, animals, little draglings, flowers, things like that. And so I am gifting those to my church to give those to the children. And I've collected quite a few. So that's what I have been doing. And then the ones that I don't think that they will like, I have other friends that I gift to. So I don't just throw these away. I don't just put them up into my stash, which means they'll never get done. So they are definitely being used. And I really appreciate all the discount companies that have reached out to me, and especially Paintsomeway for what they have sent me over today. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.